the Exalted Life is about enabling people to see what they couldn't see before, and then to learn how to continue to expand that aperture, to continue to gain more and more perspective, to gain a vaster perception of what's actually happening. So when we're in a very limited situation where we can't see the full picture, we can be controlled. We can be told what the full picture is. That's a real problem, because then we're operating unwittingly, doing things that may not actually be good for us because we're so controllable. We become less controllable, hence more sovereign, as we gain in altitude, as we gain in vision and perspective. So I'm going to help everyone gain some altitude and see what's happening so that they can restore their power to themselves, so that they're not at the mercy of being controlled, which is actually being enslaved. Because the only people that want to control you, or the only factions or entities that would like to be in control of you, are the ones that want to exploit you. So if we're being controlled, we're not being loved. It's not a benevolent force that controls. A benevolent force teaches, educates, guides, helps you to bring your full abilities, gifts, faculties to their highest expression. So as we gain altitude, we gain an understanding of our creator, of the source creator. And we start to understand what our functionality, our qualities actually can be too, because we're like vessels of that source creation. So that's what I mean when I talk about being able to embody our greatest potential. Our greatest potential lies in understanding the qualities of the Supreme Creator and the Source Creator, the Supreme being. We have the ability to either be full of those qualities, or to have them all shut down so that we never experience that, and so we remain disempowered.